So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix iPhone not connecting to Apple TV, AirPlay, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and reset guide. Fix 1 is align your Wi-Fi network. Open setting on your iPhone and navigate to Wi-Fi to find the network name. On your Apple TV, go to setting, then network, then Wi-Fi, then check the network name. Ensure the Apple TV is connected to the same network as your iPhone. If the router has multiple versions like HomeNet and HomeNet 5G, connect both devices to the 5G version. Second fix is enable AirPlay permission. Go to setting on your Apple TV, select AirPlay and HomeKit. Turn AirPlay to on. Click allow access and set it to anyone on the same network. Temporarily turn off required password to remove security block. Third fix is refresh phone wireless radios. Swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone screen to open the control center. Tap the airplane mode on icon, then switch it off. Wait for 10 seconds. Tap the airplane mode icon again and turn it off. Tap the Bluetooth icon to turn it off. Wait 3 seconds and turn it back on. Fourth fix is perform a sequential power cycle. Unplug your Wi-Fi router from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged. Go to Apple TV settings, then system, then restart. Turn off your iPhone completely, then wait for 50 seconds until power it back on. Plug your Wi-Fi router back in and wait for 2 full minutes for the internet to return. Fifth fix is test the connection. Bring your iPhone within 3 feet of the Apple TV. Open the control center on the iPhone. Tap the screen mirroring icon or the remote icon. Select your Apple TV from the list. Thanks for watching.